Unboxing the Redcat Gen8 version 2. As you can see, here's the box. All right, let's open it. Comes with a manual here and a bag of tools and supplies, bolts, RC parts. Cool. Right. Kind of heavy. Let me tell you what my first thought is. Right in the box, I noticed that the color is much darker in person than it is on the box or in the product photos. So it's definitely much darker, and the paint doesn't look as vivid. Yeah, but I mean, maybe in the sun, when the rays hit it, you get a different reflection and all that. But yeah, so definitely not the color I was expecting, but it still looks good. It's pretty heavy, feels sturdy. We've even got like these cute rear view mirrors right there. And, it looks pretty nice. Oh, there you go. Outside, the bottom. Okay. Now let's take.
Come off a little bit on the ends. It's pretty hard to get off too. See that it's come off a little bit on the edges here, on the front as well. And back here. Okay. That's good.
So it feels on there pretty tight and secure, which is a good thing. Right, there you go. It's inside of the cover. It looks pretty intricate. I see some red, black, white wires. So this is what it looks like inside there. And on the bottom. With the cover off, the weight feels pretty much the same, not much lighter at all. Lots of bounce. Still looks pretty good and sturdy. Here's the remote for it too. Feels comfortable in my hands, considering I have really small hands and dainty fingers. So we'll see when it's actually driven. So in comparison to what we already have, the Traxxas Slash and Stampede 4x4 VXL. This feels much sturdier, although probably not much of a difference in size. This feels heavier, sturdier. The body looks better, and I think it's definitely worth $275, and it would still be worth $300 without the coupon. So yeah, can't wait to take this baby out for a test drive.
Hey guys, it's Art here from Art's Garage. I'm going to give you my initial impressions about the Redcat Gen8 version 2. First off, why the Redcat is because once I went to a local hobby shop and they had some pretty good things to say about it a few years back. So they were pretty impressed with their customer service, and they had good things to say about their RC cars a few years back. So I decided to take the jump and get one of these. Also, it's a very budget friendly. We got this for $275 with a coupon. The other cars that we can compare this to are closer to $400, so it's a great value for the money. First impressions, I'm actually very impressed by the quality. And it's a lot beefier than I was expecting. The frame rails are a lot thicker and wider than anything I've ever seen in an RC car, so I'm pretty impressed. The plastics look pretty well made, pretty sturdy. Even just holding it from the bumpers, they seem to hold the weight very well. The shocks, I mean, they have no stiction. They're very smooth on all four corners. The tires look great. The rims look great. I'm actually extremely excited to try this out. I mean, for quality, I'm very surprised comparing this to, say, a Traxxas Slash 4x4 VXL or a Stampede that we have. The quality looks just as good, if not even better. And for the money, you can't beat it. And I think it's well worth the $275 we paid for it. Alright, so we got some new battery packs in today. This is the Ovionics 6200 milliamp hour batteries off of Amazon. I got these for $27 for 2 battery packs, but currently right now they're about $33 for 2. So let's take a look. They come nicely packaged in a small box. They're hard cases. Oh, it's nice. They even came with some stickers that you could probably put on the truck. 2 battery packs for $27. I mean, you can't complain. We'll try them out and give a review on these things. But hard cases, they don't look that much larger than some Turnigy battery packs that I have that are 5,000 milliamp hour. One thing I want to tell you guys, and I see a lot of people picking up their batteries this way, is never pick up the batteries by the wires. The wires can actually come detached from their soldering points inside and basically ruin your battery, so please be careful about that. But all in all, they seem pretty good. The wire has a pretty good gauge on it. I mean, they look great. I'm excited to try these out. Also, I know a lot of people have Traxxas batteries or Traxxas battery chargers. So my batteries are Traxxas plugs and not the Dean's plugs. So I got these Poly RC Traxxas to Dean's plug connectors. So we can use these with our Traxxas cars and the Redcat Gen8, and it just adapts, you know, your Dean's plug here to the Traxxas or vice versa, so you can use these and the other battery packs in different cars. Please check out the description below for the links to the battery packs the adapters, and the RC car. And Amazon, there's no coupon for it, but if you go to Amy and Hobbies, sign up for the newsletter, you can get $25 off. I believe it was like $250 or more. And so you can get the Redcat Gen 8 for $275, shipped for free. Thanks for watching.